How to download and install Minecraft's Actions and Stuff 1.4 for Minecraft Bedrock. So to do that, first you want to go and search on the web on how to download it first. Then you'll see this link pop up. This first one. Simply just click this link right here, and then it will redirect you to the Minecraft website. Now from here, you'll be able to download the Actions and Stuff 1.4.1. In order to do that, just click this Get Item button. Click that button and you'll be able to get the item. And if you don't have enough coins, you can simply just buy some mine coins. But if you have enough, you can just get this item directly by logging into your account and then simply just getting the item immediately. And take note that the coins cost some money, and basically this costs like 1690 coins, so you will need to pay like over $10 in order to download and install this Actions and Stuff 1.4.1 on your Minecraft Bedrock. And that's how you can basically download Minecraft 1.4.1's Action and Stuff.